In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not letting you send or receive messages. First, open TikTok and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Here, select Direct Messages. Then, tap on Permission Settings and make sure you have allowed requests for both. If you have Safe Mode enabled, consider turning it off, as it may affect certain messaging features. Next, clear the TikTok app cache. Go back to the Settings page, select Free Up Space. Now tap on Clear next to cache. After that, check if messaging is working. You should also make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. If you're still unable to send or receive messages, check your account age. TikTok requires users to be at least 16 years old to access direct messaging features. If the birth date on your account indicates you're under 16, messaging will not be available. And that's how to fix TikTok not letting you send or receive messages. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.